Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to move computers to decommission group in MDE. That can be done by using one group policy setting that can be done by registry. Okay, so if you're having one or two computers that you can do by creating registry setting manually, but if you're having some more computers, 1000 or 2000 something, so that is not possible. And if computers are joined to the domain, that can be achieved easily by using group policy. So let's move to my domain controller. Here we can go to server manager, tools, group policy management. Now we can navigate to group policy object. Here we can create new, give some meaningful name like move computers to decom group in MDE. You can give any other meaningful name as per your company standard, but name should explain what is the purpose of this particular group policy because it is difficult to check each and every setting. Select OK. Now we edit this preferences, Windows, registry, select new. OK. Here you can just copy this and put it here. OK. Here we need to type group, or here we can type decommissioned. So we will keep it reg underscore sz sz something and apply OK. Okay, we can refresh this and we can see the setting that we have done in this group policy. Now you need to define the scope of this group policy. Suppose you are having 100 computers and we need to know their common location. It can be 100, it can be 5, 10 something. Okay, so you need to link that group policy to the particular locations. But I'm only having single computer and I know where my computer is. You can take help from the PowerShell to get the common location by getting a distinguished name for all the computers that will be part of that group policy. So my computer is here, so I can just 1 minute. Delhi. Okay, I know my computer is here, so I can right click here, or I can get the distinguished name. Okay, right. And if you're having multiple computers, you can put them in the notepad file and get some PowerShell command. But if I want to know the distinguished name of my computer, because I having single one, that's why I'm using this. Get I have an AD computer, I have an identity. Okay, my computer name is Win10. Okay, so you can just run this. It will give you the distinguished name. Okay, If you're only interested to get the distinguished name, no problem. You can just copy this hyphen properties name, this one. Now select hyphen object. Okay, copy this. See, you are having this. And if you're having multiple computers, no problem. What you can do, you can put anywhere. I'm just putting in the temp. Okay, it is not allowing, no problem. We can create give a name input file. You can give any other name as well, it's not issue. Okay, so we need to cut it here, we need to put it here. Okay, now you can just press shift and right click, copy as path. Okay, so what you can do, get happen content space hyphen path. Okay, paste it. Okay, pipe. Now I can, what I can do, I can just copy this. Okay, and I will remove that name. Okay, okay. So if you want, you can just export somewhere, export export hyphen csv. Give any meaningful name, output file dot csv. You can also add that line, no type information. Okay, so if you come here, you can open this in notepad and you are having this as well. So there are multiple ways to do this, so whatever you want to. So but I know where my computer is, so I can just go karnav.land Delhi and computers and link an existing GPU. This is the name of my group policy. I put it here. If I open this, I know. So if I keep this, okay, let's try from here. If I having multiple computers in the different locations, so I need to link all the locations here, or I would say I need to link this group policy to all the different locations, 10, 20, 50, whatever it is. And if I keep the authenticated users here, it will apply to all the computers which are lying on particular locations or location. So if you're interested that to avoid anything, for example, we have 20 computers here, right? So if I keep authenticated users, this group policy will apply to all the 20 computers in this location. But I am only interested to apply this group policy to 10, 12, 15. So I need to add those computers here. But better way is we should create one group. We should create one group MD something, or give some meaningful name, and add that computer here, members. All the computer 10, 20, whatever you want to. apply. Okay, then you need to add that group here, MDE. So we can confine the scope of the group policy in a multiple way. But this is the correct way, I would say. So that's all for this video. If you have learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.